I'm out driving for dollars in Oklahoma City today, and what I'm going to show you guys is a really quick way to drive for dollars and get out here and find properties a lot faster, probably 5, maybe even 10 times faster. So what we're doing is we are out here and we are doing what's called driving for dollars. We are looking for houses that need some love, need some repair. Maybe they're vacant, maybe the owner would be interested in selling. As you can see here, right here, okay, there's no trash can out in front of this house. And so it kind of looks a little bit grown up, a lot grown up. There's dead limbs out in the front. This is probably a really good opportunity. Looks like some Christmas lights are kind of hanging. Maybe a real good opportunity for a fix and flip. Over here, it looks like they're clearing out some stuff, maybe doing some remodeling or maybe going to move. So as we're driving along, as you can see, there was no trash can out at that address. So that's one of the things that makes this so much easier to drive for dollars. So as you can tell, this is a pretty effective way to get out and look for real estate deals. Okay, 68th Street. So, you know, whenever you're going to be driving around for dollars, you want to make good use of your time. The way some people online was saying to do it, you know, just really doesn't work that well for me. I mean, it's slow as shit. So what I like to do, man, I like to do things fast and efficiently. And so, like what I found here, just get out here and look in these neighborhoods. Like you can see, these are some real good neighborhoods, just like here. And there's a garage sale sign out. Garage sales are good to hit too. And I've actually got some really good sign. This one here, do not disturb tenants. It's a rental. All right, here we go. Prime example. Look at this house here. All grown up, as you can tell. The grass is grown up. The hedges are grown up. Otherwise, there's mail. If you look at the mailbox, there's some mail stuffed in the mailbox. This is quite potentially a very good opportunity to get in touch with the owners here. So I'll be getting in touch with those guys. And right here, we have somebody that's probably moving out. That's a rent house. You can tell by the shades and stuff that's in it. And there's workers in the back that are doing some painting. And this house here, I'm thinking there's probably a deal here. You can see at this house here, there's mail in the mailbox. The yard's kind of messed up. There's a dead limb over here that hasn't been picked up from that tree at 6416. There could be a potential. All right, 6416 South Dewey. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed the lesson.